Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 450 and today I will show you how to set up your device for the first time. So first thing to do is select your region. After you do that, click yes. Then select the keyboard layout that it suits best for yourself. Then click yes. If you want to add a second keyboard layout, click Add Layout. In other case, skip this step. Right now, let's connect to a network. We press Connect and enter the security key. If you can't connect to a network right now, skip this step by pressing I don't have internet. And once we enter the security key, press Next. And continue. Now accept Windows License Agreement by clicking Accept. Let's wait another moment. Now select if you want to use this laptop personally or if you want if it's a property of an organization or a school, then this is an option for you. In every other case, set it up for personal use. Click Next. You can add your account if you want. If you don't, you can use an offline account. But let's add an account right here. What we have to do is we have to use our email. Then click Next. Enter the password. Click Next once again. You can use your fingerprint to access your device, but I'm gonna skip this step for now. If you don't want to skip it, go ahead and press Setup, but I will go with skip this for now. Now create a PIN for your account, enter your PIN and confirm it. And press OK. Now you can we can freely skip this step for now, so press Not Now. Now you can set up privacy settings for your device. So if you want your device to Windows to get your location so that you can find your device more easier, then click yes. In other cases, disagree. Diagnostic data is basically a data for Microsoft to diagnose your behavior and then send them this data to improve the advertising. I'll choose no in this case. Find My Device is rather a useful feature, so keep this checked. This one is also for diagnostics. Advertising ID is also for diagnostics, and this basically too. Now click accept to continue and wait for a moment. Now you can customize your experience, but this basically doesn't do anything, so we can freely skip this step for now. If you want, you can connect your phone to your PC, but I'm not gonna do this now. And if you want to, I think we can do this right now anyway. So let's select no thanks. If you want to, you can also select remind me later. You will be, either way, you'll be transferred here. Okay, I'll skip this too because it's related to the previous one. If you want to, you can get a free trial of Microsoft 365 family, but I don't want it. If you don't want it to, then press decline Microsoft 365. Now if you're interested, press continue. I don't want the iCloud or the Microsoft Cloud, OneDrive. Yes, confirm getting the free Microsoft 365. Since it's free, why not? Now press no thanks unless you want to join the PC Game Pass. If you want to, you can enable Cortana on your device. If you don't, press not now. You can always set Cortana up later in your settings. And then wait. And once you see the home screen, that means that setup is complete. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.